Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's video is on the motovan. Now let me explain to you what's going on with this. When you're driving down roads, bumpy roads, there's a rattle from the front end, a crazy just kind of just rattling whenever you hit bumpy roads or potholes or anything. Or let me show you what's going on here. So I got the wheel off. This is the right side. Go down here to the sway bar linkage right here. Put a pry bar underneath it, just like that. And then watch the play that's in that linkage. Okay, and that's the noise that I'm hearing. See that play? Now this van has 173,000 miles on it. But get underneath here, you shouldn't have any play here. This should be solid. You shouldn't have any movement like that. See that? Alright guys, so taking these out is not too bad. It's a 19 millimeter nut, alright, and a washer. Goes on the outside here. I hit it with the impact, and then I had to hold the center Allen key and then just hold the nut and rotate this center part of the bushing, the linkage, to get it out. And that's what I'm doing down here also. All right, so this is the old one. This is the bottom, the part that was rattling, and it's shot. It's hard for me to show you, but I can pull this in and out, and it's loose. So let me get the new one. Alright, so I'm going with the moves. I have the Zerk fittings on them for the grease, which I'm really not a fan of because these have been fine for 170,000 miles without it, but I guess we'll use it. And you can see these are super stiff. Like, it's hard for me to move them around. So we're going to go ahead and throw these on. But these also have a nut on this side to make it easier, and they don't have the Allen key. So that should make this whole process easier. Alright guys, it's all done. I'm in the car. I'm going to take it for a quick ride, and we'll see how it does. Man guys, it's fixed. It's so much better. So much quieter to ride it now. It doesn't feel like something's rattling around the front end. Man, so much better. So guys, if you have one of these awesome moto vans and you're having the same problem, that little knocking around in the front end, it could be as simple as that. My recommendation when you do these is to take the tops off first and then push them in so you can swing the sway bar up, because the bottom ones are a little tough to get to if you got them up on the jack. And then when you put them back on, do the same thing, do the bottom ones first. So guys, hopefully you liked this video, hopefully it helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.